Welcome back to Financify. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete your Safepal account using your mobile device. Make sure to watch till the end for all the essential steps. Let's get right into it. First, launch the Safepal app. On the dashboard, tap on the user ID displayed at the top of the screen. Then, click on the three-dot menu displayed on your wallet. Inside the menu, you will see the Remove Wallet button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it and select Delete. You will be prompted to enter the security code for the confirmation. Enter your security code and you will be logged out of your account. And that's it. You have now permanently deleted your Safepal account right from your mobile device. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more finance and tech guides from Financify. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.